Okay, so Hunger Games is really good. There's lots of people here, so start. Let me kick everything. That's just missing. Oh, crap! They stole everything. They freaking stole everything. Okay, hey, over there, ching ching ching. Team, guess, team. Yay! Okay, yeah, let's do this. We're gonna do team. Okay, do. Get out of here! Okay. Get out! Stole all the items. What the crap, man? Healbrine. Get on, Healbrine. Oh, you're scared? I can't believe Healbrine's scared. Oh my god, I never seen that. Excuse me, you're hurting me! What the crap? There's also a glitch. There's a glitch. There we go. There's a glitch wrong with this, so a lot of glitches wrong with this. Jacob. I see Jacob over there, so this is like Petra from Hunger Story Mode. That's not weird. To be honest, it does. Oh my god, that is weird looking. No, mine. Jacob, what are you doing? What are you? Sadly, I don't have anything for you. I don't even have anything anyways. Oh crap! Run, Jacob! Run! Whatever your name is. You're just on my team right now. What do I have here? Oh! You know how to get this one. Ooh, iron boots. Iron boots. Wait, where's Jacob? Where is he? It's a secret chest! Oh, yes! The reason I say this is, oh yes, because, well, there's a glitch wrong with mine, so that's gonna be helpful for me. So that's just gonna get me to get help. Apparently, they think my version of Minecraft is just stealing up with food. If you don't remember the version of Minecraft, they used to get blah blah blah. You have to eat food and stuff to refill health. The refill health. So okay, now sorry. Jacob, run! Jacob, run! I betrayed her. He's trying to say. You betrayed her! And he thought it was me, so he's probably gonna try to kill me now, so... They have refilled. Oh, you saw there. You saw what I got there. Iron stuff. Okay, so if I get these arrows, so they won't steal it. Okay, now let's just get this thing going. Let's just kill these things. Not crazy. This is nothing. I got a diamond axe. Oh, should I run away? Yeah, I should probably just run away because this is good stuff. So, hey over there, you're gonna get killed. You're gonna get killed. Okay. a kill. Get back here. Fight like. Okay. You sucker! Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment below. Apparently, I got killed.